Hello dear student, myself Vikas Kumar. Today I am going to teach chemical property of alkene. So watch my video carefully. Chemical properties of alkene. Now, one by one, I am going to write chemical properties or chemical reactions of alkenes. Now, first property is a reaction of alkene with H2. Second is a reaction with H2. Third is a reaction with hydrogen halide. A reaction of HBr with symmetrical alkene. A reaction of HBr with unsymmetrical alkene. Fourth reaction is Markovnikov reaction and anti-Markovnikov reaction. Fifth reaction is reaction with H2SO4. Sixth reaction is reaction with H2O. Seventh reaction is ozonolysis. And eighth reaction is polymerization reaction. So you can take a screenshot. Now one by one we will discuss about chemical properties or chemical reactions of alkene. Now first reaction is addition of H2 with compound of alkene. Reaction with H2. This is compound of alkene. It is called ethene. Ethene react with H2. Then in presence of PP, PD or Ni after heating 200 degree C to 300 degree C, we can observe compound of alkene is prepared. This reaction is called addition reaction. So ethene to ethane compound is prepared here. This is case 1. Now in case 2, whenever propene react with H2 in presence of PT, PD or Ni after heating at 200 degree C to 300 degree C, propane compound is formed. Propane compound is formed. This is propene. By the hydrogenation of propane compound is prepared. So this is first chemical property of alkene. These reactions are known as reduction. Okay, these reactions are comes under reduction or hydrogenation or addition reaction or free radical addition reaction. So you can take a screenshot. Now next reaction is addition of H2. Addition of H2 with compound of alkene. Now in this reaction, whenever compound of alkene react with H2 in presence of solvent of CCl4, then vicinal dihalide be prepared. So ethene to vicinal dihalide compound is prepared. Whenever ethene react with Br2 in presence of CCl4 solvent, then vicinal dibromide compound is formed. Okay. Now we can understand with the help of another example. Whenever propene react with Br2 in presence of CCl4 solvent, then the compound is formed. This reaction is called electrophilic addition reaction. You can take a screenshot. And this compound is called 1,2-dibromoethane. So you can take a screenshot. Now we can understand with the help of another example. Now whenever propene react with Cl2 in presence of solvent of CCl4, then one, two, three. 1,2-dichloro-propane compound is formed. Here reactivity order of dihalogen is reactivity order of H2. We can write F2, Cl2, Br2 and I2. Now you can take a screenshot. Now reaction of alkene with hydrogen halide. Reaction of alkene with hydrogen halide. Now in case of addition of HBr with symmetrical alkene. Now in case of symmetrical alkene, but2ene. After addition of HBr, here 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon and 1 degree carbon. So we can observe here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 bromobutane product is formed. You can take a screenshot. Now case B, addition of HBr with unsymmetrical alkene. Here double bond present between 1 degree carbon and 2 degree carbon. So two type of products are formed. Here 2 bromopropane and 1 bromopropane. This product is major, this product is minor, this product is stable or more stable, this product is less stable product. Now you can take a screenshot. Now we can write reactivity order of hydrogen halide. So Hi more reactive than HBr, more reactive than HCl. So this is reactivity order of hydrogen halide. You can take a screenshot. Now this reaction is called Markovnikov's addition reaction. These reactions are called Markovnikov's reaction. Now fourth reaction is Markovnikov's addition reaction and anti-Markovnikov's addition reaction. Reaction number 4, Markovnikov's addition reaction. In case of Markovnikov's addition reaction, this reaction is also addition of hydrogen halide. So, in case of case 1 for symmetrical alkene, this is symmetrical alkene, react with HBr. Then, in case of Markovnikov's addition reaction, we can observe here bromoethane compound is prepared. Ethene 1 bromo ethane compound is prepared. Now, case 2, another example of symmetrical alkene. Whenever but2ene react with HBr, then one, two, three, and 4. 2 bromo butane compound is prepared. Now, these reactions are Markovnikov's addition reaction and a reactivity order. Reactivity order of hydrogen halide, we can write again Hi more reactive than HBr, more reactive than Hi. So this is the right reactivity order. Now here delta minus and delta plus. So electrophile and nucleophile. These reactions are called electrophilic addition reaction. You can take a screenshot. Now in case of anti-Markovnikov's addition reaction, we can observe here once again free radical mechanism. So in presence of peroxide due to homolysis in HBr, here we can observe free radical mechanism. So these type of products are formed. 1 bromo ethane. Now in another case, propene react with HBr in presence of peroxide. Then we can observe here two bromo propane. After that, bromopropane or 1 bromopropane. 1 bromopropane. Here, this product 2 bromopropane is less stable, and this product is more stable. Now we can take a screenshot. This is major product, this is minor product. You can take a screenshot. This effect is also called Nash effect or peroxide effect. Now you can take a screenshot. In this reaction, in place of hydrogen halide, only HBr is applicable. HCl and HI not applicable in anti-Markovnikov addition reaction. Now next reaction is addition of H2SO4. Addition of conc H2SO4 with alkene. Whenever propene react with concentrated H2SO4, then propane to hydrogen sulfate compound is prepared. So this compound is propane. You can take a screenshot. This reaction is called electrophilic addition reaction. You can take a screenshot. Now reaction of alkene with water. Reaction of alkene with water. Whenever alkene react with water, then after addition of few drop of conc acid, third butyl alcohol compound is prepared. Whenever 2-methyl prop 1-ene react with water after addition of few amount of conc H2SO4, then third butyl alcohol compound is prepared. Third butyl alcohol compound is prepared. So you can take a screenshot. This reaction is also works as Markovnikov's addition reaction. So you can write here Markovnikov's addition reaction. Now once again we will discuss about addition of water by oxidation. So oxidation. Ethene react with water. Here cold dilute KMNO4. Cold dilute KMNO4. After reaction, a compound is formed which is called glycol. Glycol compound is formed. Now in another case, whenever propene react with H2O with nascent oxygen, presence of cold dilute KMNO4. Now 273 Kelvin temperature, 273 Kelvin temperature here. Now new compound is formed which is called 1, 2 and 3. So propane 1, 2 diol. You will take a screenshot. Here cold dilute KMnO4 whereas reagent. Now in case B, oxidation of alkene by acid potassium permanganate. Now we can observe here dimethyl ketone plus CO2 and plus water. Now in this reaction 2 methyl prop 1-ene react with oxygen, then after oxidation propane 2-ol plus CO2 plus water, these compounds are formed. Now oxidation is completed. You can take a screenshot. Now in case of symmetrical alkene, by oxidation we can write here acetic acid. So 2 mole of acetic acid are prepared. Here bute 2-ene after oxidation ethanoic acid. Now next reaction is ozonolysis of alkene. Ozonolysis of alkene. First reaction by the ozonolysis of ethene, addition product is formed. And after reaction we can observe here 2 mole of formaldehyde. 2 mole of, we can write here 2 mole of formaldehyde. One formaldehyde, another formaldehyde. Okay, and ZNO is prepared. So we can write here in another way HCHO plus HCHO plus ZNO. You can take a screenshot. Now this reaction is called ozonolysis. Now in another case, whenever another alkene reacts with ozone, CH3, CO and CH3, then after ozonolysis H, CH3, CH3, H, and after ozonolysis ZN and H2O react with this addition product, then 2 mole of CH3CO, ethanaldehyde and ZNO compound is formed. Now once again, whenever ozonolysis of this compound, a new product is formed. Now after reaction with Zn H2O, then propanone and ethanol and zinc oxide compounds are prepared. Ethanaldehyde. So you can take a screenshot. Now after ozonolysis we will discuss about polymerization reaction of alkene. Polymerization reaction of alkene. At high temperature and pressure. Now with the help of N molecules, this bond become open. So this is ethene. So new product is polyethene. Now in case of propene, product become polypropene. Okay, you can take a screenshot. This reaction is polymerization. Now in another case, whenever propene is here, then at high temperature and pressure, after polymerization reaction, after opening of this bond, propene, this compound is polypropene. So this reaction is polymerization reaction. You can take a screenshot.